From the company that brought you Trapeze Composite Deck Screw and Ledger Lock Ledger Board Fastener, Fasten Master presents Cortex Concealed Fastening System.
Hi, I'm Tim Gillis, Fasten Master Marketing Manager. We're here at the Research and Development Facility in Agawam, Massachusetts. And today we're going to bring you through the Fasten Master Cortex Concealed Fastening System, the newest innovation from Fasten Master. To do that, I'm going to ask Mark Guthrie to bring you through the different components, show you how this fastener works, and really how it's going to make building decks faster, easier, and stronger.
Cortex is a system, and it's comprised of three parts: a screw, a setting tool, and a plug. We're going to get down to business and show you each one of those. First, there's the Cortex screw. It's very unique in that it's highly engineered, especially at the head where that diameter is critical, and you'll see why in a bit. Second, there's dual thread technology. Two separate threads that when placed into the application leave a nice cored out hole. Just as important is the fact that we have a tested coating specific for AZEK and those other pressure treated chemicals. Next is the Cortex setting tool. It's a square drive, but it's unique in two features. One is a non-marring shoulder, so when you're setting this to depth, it doesn't create any abrasion on the surface of the deck. Second is it's spring-loaded, and that is specific because it wants to release the screw at just the right depth for the next step. Finally, there's the Cortex plug. What's unique about this is it's made of the same material as the deck board, so it has all the same characteristics. Second, and most important, is it's engineered to a very tight tolerance, much like the screw, so it fits tight and it stays there. Now that we've seen the components, let's put them to use. In front of me I have an AZEK test deck. Of course, we're going to take our Cortex screw. Our setting tool is already attached to the drill. And just like you would normally install a deck screw, you're going to install a screw, but you're going to let this setting tool do its job. Notice that it stopped right at the right depth. Now the next part of the system, of course, is the Cortex plug. The plug, simply place the plug in the hole, give it one tap to start, and then drive it flush. Now that you've got your plug set, you've got a smooth, finished look on your deck. And here's a traditional screw going into AZEK decking. And here again is our new Cortex system. And remember, the Cortex system is a complete fastening system. What I mean by that is many of the other hidden systems don't cover things such as first board, last board, stairs, angled decks, picture frame, and deck rails. One other added feature of the Cortex system is that you can actually take out a plug if you ever need to remove it. Let's say you want to take up this board. Simply place the screw at the center of the plug, and much like uncorking a wine, pull out the old plug, remove the board if necessary, and put a new plug right back in the same hole once you're done. It's important to note that under some conditions, you may see a subtle indication of the Cortex plug in the deck. We recommend that you test the Cortex concealed system on a few boards, just to ensure you approve of the finished look. And one of the most important elements to this system is to know that once that plug is in place, it's not going anywhere. This system has been fully tested for freeze thaw, moisture saturation, and UV stability. What you need to know is that it's fully approved and warranted by Fasten Master. Here it is from start to finish. It's really just that simple.
Cortex Concealed Fastening System, available in 100 and 300 square foot boxes. Screws, plugs, and setting tools are included in every box. Available in Trex Accents, TimberTech Twin Finish, and AZEK deck boards. Cortex Concealed Fastening System, the newest innovation from FastenMaster.